Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use ChatGPT like a SQL shell terminal, right? So sign up to OpenAI's ChatGPT. You will be getting into invite list, and once you get the access, you will have dashboard that looks something like this, right? Here we will click on new chat, and then we will type in here our instructions. So I want it to act as a PostgreSQL shell terminal, right? So I will type the commands and you will reply with what the terminal should know, and then I want you to only reply with the terminal, right? And with unique code block, right? Because I don't want it to explain, right? And nothing else, right? Do not write explanations, right? We will also fix this grammatically before it does, right? And C, do not type commands unless I instruct you to do so. Use quit as a keyword to exit out of PostgreSQL shell terminal mode, right? Right now we will also instruct it when I need to tell you something in English or in your specific language, say Spanish or so, then I will do so by putting the text inside the curly brackets like this. So my first command is psql --version, right? So what we'll do is we will push this prompt and let's see what it does. So push it, and here you see it says PostgreSQL 14.0. Now let's add one more query, something like, let's say, create database demo, right? So here it should return with some success message, right? So create database. Now what we will do is we will use /l and then pass it, and here list of databases, and as you can see it will reply you with what it has on your installed system. So it is showing me the demo database that we just created along with Postgres template and so on, right? You can also take a look at database tables that we have. So I will use /dt and hit enter, and no relations found because we don't have any table. Let's say if I want to check any database functions we have, I did not find any functions. Similarly, database user, there should be none, right? Currently there doesn't seem to be any other than Postgres, obviously. Now let's say I want to quit this particular mode, right? So I will use quit. Let's see what it says. Goodbye, right? So you get the idea how to make ChatGPT act like a PostgreSQL shell terminal, right? What I have done is I instructed it to only reply when there are PostgreSQL commands. Now like this you can practice your database commands. So in this case this was PostgreSQL. You can try this out for MySQL, MongoDB, or any other NoSQL database. If it has any terminal client through which we can learn, then ChatGPT can also emulate that, and that sort of simulation would be possible, right? So this was just a demo for you to check out. Here I have selected very few of the commands. You can even go through the entire database creation, table creation, then creating some sample data, but I'm not sure how much of that would be possible, so I tried to give it something simple, right? So do check this on SQL shell emulation inside ChatGPT.